Does pregnancy cause hair loss? Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. Today, we're talking about pregnancy and hair loss. Now, my niece, she's currently pregnant for the second time, and she luckily has wonderful hair, but the fact that I did women's hair for the first 10-15 years of my career, I went through a lot of pregnancies with my women, and I saw they had hair loss, and they told me they have hair loss, and so it's a huge concern that when you're going through pregnancy that your hair starts falling out, especially if you're a young girl. You have long hair a lot of times, and all of a sudden you wake up and in your pillow there's these long strands of hair, and it's bad enough that you're gaining weight and you feel like crap and you're tired, you have morning sickness, and now your hair's falling out. Oh my gosh. So like I said, this video right now is kind of relevant. My niece, she's 3 months into her pregnancy, 4 months into her pregnancy. She's due in December at the end. And so she's not shown any concerns for hair loss, but it can happen. She's already kind of through her first trimester, so more than likely it's not going to happen. But usually it's in the first part of the pregnancy that it happens, because the body is really stressed out. I mean, it's making a new human being inside of you. So the body's going through a lot of hormonal changes and a lot of stress, and everybody handles stress differently. So if you're somebody that doesn't handle stress very well and you're really stressed out because of your pregnancy, it's probably going to accelerate your hair loss even more. This condition actually has a name. Who would have thought? The condition is called telogen effluvium. I think I'm saying that right. It's a mouthful. Anyways, during pregnancy, an increased number of hairs go through a resting phase. Now, this resting phase is not severe enough to cause bald spots or severe hair loss, and it should diminish within 3 to 4 months after delivery. Now, as a hairdresser, somebody who deals with clients every single day, one of the things that we've always suggested to clients and women going through pregnancy is biotin. Biotin is incredible for the hair and the nails. And my suggestion to you in taking biotin is start out with the recommended dosage during your pregnancy, and that'll help strengthen the hair and the hair follicle and give you the vitamins that you need that's maybe being a little depleted during your pregnancy. Now, after your pregnancy, I always suggest to double up on the recommended dosage for about 90 days, and then drop back to a normal dosage, 1 a day. And the reason for that is when we take vitamins, they don't stay in the system and get digested and fully used, because they're not natural, they're synthetic. And so therefore, a lot of it goes out as waste. So in order to make up for that, we take a little bit more. So the body is actually only excreting the waste that it normally would, but it's absorbing more than it normally would because you're taking twice the dosage, okay? Now, don't do that during your pregnancy. Your doctor will kill me. So again, don't do that during your pregnancy. Just take normal biotin. That's quite safe, quite okay. Doctors are going to be fine with that. After your pregnancy, double the dosage up for 90 days and give your system a kickstart, all right? Now, I just want to disclose that I'm a hairdresser, not a doctor, but I've been doing hair for a long time, so I kind of know hair and hair loss. And this is something that works every single time for everybody that uses it. And it's not going to grow thick, crazy hair, but like I said, it's going to retard, slow down your hair loss, your thinning hair, and even if you're somebody that's not pregnant, you have weak nails, you have weak hair, biotin is excellent, excellent, all right? It's been used for many, many, many years, as long as I've been doing hair. It's been around a long time, and it works. And today you even actually see it being manufactured and marketed on the TV and the internet as a supplement for women and men. So this is just a tip to help everybody out. For those women out there that are getting a little chubby and having a little baby and having a little hair loss at the same time. So that's what this video today is about, is helping you out during your pregnancy. So girls, don't get crazy when you start seeing hair on the pillow. It's a temporary situation. And I know you girls out there with fine hair. I mean, my sister is one of those people with fine hair, so you don't have a lot to lose when you are losing hair when you're pregnant. But never fear, it comes back. Now, some women, completely opposite. They get incredible hair. Their hair gets thick and crazy. All right, well, that's another story. But for you hair loss girls, and see some thinning hair and some hair falling out, don't stress. Everything will be okay. And that's it. If you have any questions I might be able to answer, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like what you saw and heard today, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.